Hello guys, welcome back. Welcome back again. Today we are going to learn some vocabularies in Dinka language. We will be changing some Dinka words into English words. So our lesson of today is very interesting. So if you are new here, please subscribe to our YouTube channel, share the video to your loved ones. Let us learn Dinka language together. Thank you for learning Dinka language with us. We begin vocabularies in Dinka to English. Today we are changing some words from Dinka language to English language. Here we begin. Ajit, 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 ajit in Dinka. We change it into English. It is called hen, hen, hen. Plural form of Ajit is called Ajit. Ajit, Ajit, Ajit mean hands, 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 hands in English. Agumut, 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 agumut mean wool, wool, wool. You can see the photo here is wool, agumut, agumut majongit. Yes, agumut wool. Plural form of agumut is called agumut, 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 agumut. You can see what we add here is we add u here, agumut, agumut to be alls, 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 alls. You see, there are three, more than three or five, and so on. They are called agumut. One is called agumut. We learn another word, autak, 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 autak. Autak means Sodom apple, Sodom apple, Sodom apple, Sodom apple. It's called autak, autak, or sometimes they call it alafap. Yeah, we call it alafap. Yeah, alafap or autak. Yeah, it's called Sodom apple, Sodom apple. You can say dear Autak is not a Wotiak. This is a Wutak. Wutak Sodom apple is a one like it's like weed or some of the uh, fruits, trees, grass. I don't know how will I call it, but to those who know it, they know it very well. Yeah. Pigweed, 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 pigweed is called Malwalawai. Malwal awai, malwal awai, malwal awai, malwal awai. Malwal awai mean pigweed. So malwal awai. So achil bai tok, achil bai yel tok ya, achil bai yel tok. Nae juba kae chol godu godi, godu godi. Yes, like that godu godi. It's called malwal awai, pigweed. Chue, chue, chue. Shui. Shui mean Mandarin. 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 Yeah, Mandarin is called Shui. 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 Yeah, Shui. What sometime depending. Chuyện chayok. Yeah, Shui. Gol. 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 Gol mean clan. 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 You say and ran gol bany ran gol parik ran so and so on. Anong, 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 a, na, ong, nga, a, na, ong, nga, anong, anong mean to have, a verb that is, this is a verb to have, to have. This is one of the verbs in Dinka language. You have to know it. Which bang part, because we are going to bring a lesson of focusing of anong, to have. Anong mean to have something. Inanong ator, inanong galang, like that. A witch, a witch, a witch, a witch, a witch, a witch mean to warn, to warn, to warn, to warn something mean a witch, to warn. This is another verb in Dinka. A witch mean to warn. You have to focus on anong, to have, a witch, to warn. Bang, 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 bang mean sheep, 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 sheep. Ku, 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 ku mean an, an, an in English. Preposition in Dinka, ku, ku mean an in English. Aliu, 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 aliu. This is another verb, to be absent, to be absent, to be absent, or absent, absent, not present. Yeah, aliu, aliu, absent. Bye, 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 bye. Bye mean village or home. Village, home. Village or home. Bay, 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 bay. Bay mean villages. Villages or homes. Villages or homes. Villages or homes mean bay. This is bay is a plural form of by. By is singular and bay is plural form. You have to know it. Wing, 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 wing. Wing mean cow, 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 cow. You can see the photo of cow, image of cow here, emoji of cow. Wing, cow. Wang, 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 wang. Wang mean cattle, cattle, cattle. Wang mean plural form of wing. Wang. You can say hawk, cows. And if you say wang, that mean combination. Is a cattle, simple cattle. Yeah. Dog, 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 dog mean boy, boy, boy. In Donkin. Yeah, you mean that you boy, dog, boy, duck, 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 duck mean boys, 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 boys. Dog is singular, boy. Duck is plural, boys. War, 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 war. War mean river or lake. River, river, river. War. This is not war. Yeah, don't mistake it like war. This is not war. It is a Dinka word mean river. War, war, war. Yeah, if you know war in English, you can remember this one in Dinka also. War, war. It is called war. It's not war. War mean river. Geo, 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 geo. Geo mean town, 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 town. Geo mean town. Geo is in a Dinka word which mean town, town. Yeah, you can see geo, ga, u, ga, u, ga, u, ga, u, geo, town. Nyang, 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 nya. This is one nya a nga, nya a nga, nya crocodile, 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 crocodile. Yeah, young crocodile live in the river. Yeah, live in the river like hippopotamus. Yeah, live in the river. Crocodile. Chock, 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 chock. Mean anger, 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 anger. Chock mean anger. To be angry. Yeah, a neck chop. If you say a neck chop in Dinka, a neck chop mean I'm angry. I'm very angry. A neck chop of it. I'm very angry. So angry. Yeah. Chop mean anger. Chop is a Dinka word mean anger. Yeah, I hope you all learn this very good vocabularies in Dinka. Yeah, you have to know this one. They are very easy to remember, very easy to pronounce. And, 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 and is me, me, me. In jam kayan, in jam kayan, in jam kayan mean are you talking with me? Are you talking to me? Are you talking with me? In jam kayan, uh, I, I, yan, 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 yan mean I. You can see the difference when you say me and when you say I. And me, yan, I, yan, I, and me, like that. Yin, 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 mean you, you, you. Hey, yin, bar, you come. Yin bar, you come. Kajale, and me, yes, yes, you. Yin. Yeah, so it's very easy. Yeah. Wake, 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 wake mean you plural form. You plural form. That's you plural form. Say wake, back wake with you, back wake with you. All of you come, all of you come, back wake with you. Bar yin road, you come alone. Oak, 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 oak. As, as. Oak is a plural form for us. Wegaye urchol, wegaye urchol, wig aye urchol, you plural form. Then you when you reply, oh go there, oh go there. It's like all of us. They will say all of us, yes, oh yes. We go there. Then you will reply, yes, we go there. Yan, yan, yan. Ah, sorry, yin, 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 yin. He, she, it. Yin mean he, she, it. Yin, he, she, it. Yin chiban wakalar. Bol chiban wakalar. Garang chiban wakalar. Adul chiban wakalar. When yin chiban ku achijal. Yeah, yin chiban ku achijal. That mean he come and he go. He come and go. Yes, these are some of the words you need to know also. Yes, vocabularies in Dinka to English. Next coming lesson is going to be how to use these words in phrases or in conversation. So stay tuned for it. Binyalich we dodge even catcher. Binyalich we dodge even catcher. May God bless you all, my people. May God bless you all, my people. Majak and dengdit. Yeah, we got a leg, we coach lesson, can we coach be in a way. Yeah, later in ran one yam ten, when near bottom monjang, but Please subscribe, share our video, like our video, because if you like our video, this YouTube is going to recommend it to other people to see it and to or maybe they can learn something from it. Yeah, we are here to learn together. Yes. Dinka language. Yeah, of course, those who are going to benefit in English. Yeah, for me, I'm not focusing on pronunciation or pronouncing Dinka words. I mean English words well, but I'm focusing in Dinka. Yeah, and some words in English. Yeah. Thank you, everyone. Thank you. Thank you. This coming lesson is very interesting. So if you are not here today, please join us next lesson, and you are going to learn some of the words we learn here in long sentences. Thank you very much. God bless you all. Nyali kek wek. Wabrom yom Juma wala yom Sibit.